This is the Xiaomi 12 Lite. This year's Xiaomi 12 Lite design is a noticeable departure from last year's iteration, while borrowing some of the more expensive Xiaomi 12, 12X and 12 Pro design traits. The Lite option has a boxier design and ditches the oval-shaped camera module. We have a Gorilla Glass 5 protective sheet on the front while the back imitates frosted glass. We can say it gets pretty close to the real thing. The device comes in 3 fresh color options: light green, light pink, and black. The Xiaomi 12 Lite boasts an improved OLED panel with 12-bit color depth. The 6.55-inch 1080 by 2400 px display is also faster than before, supporting up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and 240Hz touch sampling rate for lower response time during gaming. That's a considerable upgrade over last year's 90Hz OLED screen. Moreover, the display seems to be HDR10+ and Dolby Vision certified, making it a flagship-grade display. The main camera gets a big upgrade this year, and not only in terms of pixel count. Last year's 64MP 1.97 sensor is replaced with Samsung's 108MP ISOCELL HM2 sensor, which is considerably bigger. The ultra-wide shooter, on the other hand, keeps the same tiny 8MP, 1/4.0, 1.12μmp sensor paired with an f/2.2 lens covering a 120-degree field of view. The macro snapper is downgraded from 5MP down to 2MP, and there's no autofocus. The 12 Lite runs on Android 12 but with a newer, improved MIUI 13 on top. This is one of the first devices to launch with the said combo. The notification history feature, however, is still nowhere to be found. The Xiaomi 12 Lite features the exact same SoC as its 11 Lite 5G NE predecessor, the Snapdragon 778G 5G. The chip is based on TSMC's 6nm N6 manufacturing process. It uses an octa-core CPU and an Adreno 642L GPU for graphically intensive tasks. The available memory variants are 6GB or 128GB, 8GB or 128GB, and 8GB or 256GB. With storage being of the UFS 2.2 kind, and the RAM is LPDDR4X. Since the new Lite and last year's generation share the same SoC, comparable displays and practically the same battery capacity, we got mostly the same results. The new 12 Lite reached 84% in just 30 minutes of charging, while a full charge from flat took only 50 minutes. The Xiaomi 12 Lite seems like a solid light version of the more expensive Xiaomi 12X, Vanilla 12 and 12 Pro. It maintains a relatively competitive price tag that also makes sense in the Xiaomi 12 series, while retaining some high-end features. The 12 Lite is also one of the first Xiaomi phones to offer Android 12 under the company's MIUI 13 interface. Then again, if we go by the previous Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G and 11 Lite price action, price will go down pretty soon, building an even stronger case for the 12 Lite. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more videos. Bye for now.